Hello and welcome to another Quick Tip Tuesday. This is the final installment of my series on how to run your YouTube comments like a boss. Last week I spoke about using vidIQ as a tool to run your YouTube comments more efficiently. And this week I'm going to be talking about how you can do the same with TubeBuddy. So I'm going to share my screen with you now, and you're going to learn not only how to run your comments more cleanly, more efficiently and more speedily, but you're going to learn how to run them like a boss.
My first tip is a great tip that was once a YouTube feature, but they got rid of it for some reason, and that is to reply to comments directly from the notification bell. So if you see that you got a new comment with your notification bell, then you can go in and you can reply, which I think is really speedy. But if you want to get to your older comments, you may have not replied for a while, then another great efficiency tool is hitting the TubeBuddy button and then going directly to my comments. That's tip number 2. Resource number 3 is that if you link your Patreon account, you can highlight or filter for comments from your patrons. And of course, you want to prioritize your patrons because they're giving you money, they're helping support what you do, so you want to give them priority when replying or hearting or pinning comments. So that's a great feature. A small little feature that I'm not sure I'll use a lot, but worth mentioning, is that you can hide a response. So if you're applying a number of filters and you keep seeing the same comment again and again that you know you're not going to use, you don't need to see it again, you can hide it there. If you do need to see it again, you can show it by ticking that box. And if you want to unhide it, then once it's showing again, you simply click the hide button and it is no longer hidden, as you can see from that. Now we're going to get to the really useful features from TubeBuddy that are going to help you moderate your comments a lot better. And these are available both in this comments page and also in the comments on the video page. So first of all, I'm going to show you comment filters. So I can filter these comments to find comments that contain certain words, to reply to comments that I've not yet replied to, harvest comments with questions in so you can make videos on them in the future, or if it's a question that needs a quick response, you can go in and respond to that, especially if you've got a lot of comments to get through. And if you wanted to add multiple filters at once, you can click this advanced button and you will be able to filter those. And I think this is really great because you can find comments that are positive that you feel deserve a response, whereas the negative ones you might want to remove. For the next demonstration, I'm actually going to go in and find comments that have got a question mark. So I'm going to load 5 more pages. You can load pretty much your entire history, but that can take some time. But it is worth doing. But for this video, I'm just going to load 5 pages. So I'm going to refilter that for questions and look for some potential new video topics. So user Jeff here has asked me to do a video to do something about affiliate marketing. So what I can do, a really neat feature here, within the comment, I can add as a comment suggestion. So if you've not seen this feature in TubeBuddy either, if you hit your TubeBuddy button and then go to Video Topic Planner, and then you go to Comment Suggestions, you've got an idea waiting to go. You can click plus, add, and start planning a new video around that question, and it's saved for you to get back to in the future. For my final feature demonstration, I'm going to actually go to the video page of one of my popular videos. So something that I want to show next is a canned response. So if I hit the TubeBuddy button, I can use one of these canned responses that already exists, but that's not really appropriate. So I'm going to make a new canned response, and I can do that by clicking the settings button. It is going to take me to a new tab, just so you know. Then you can hit add canned response, This is sure to make my Android fans happy. And another extra tip is, and I'm not going to use it for this comment because it doesn't really fit in, but if you place this symbol into anywhere in the comment, so for example, if I wanted to say thanks channel X, TubeBuddy will actually insert the name of the channel into the comment so it looks less like a canned response. So that's an extra tip you can use. I'm not actually going to use that in this comment, so I'm going to save that. So that's now one of my canned responses, and when I return to TubeBuddy to add my canned response, it's not there yet. I'm going to refresh the page. Hello. So you've seen other people. Then I've got my canned Apple response for all my Apple haters. Then I can just hit reply. And there we go. That's going to save me a lot of time if I'm replying to the same type of comment again and again and again.
So I hope you found that useful, and you can click here for the rest of my playlist that will teach you how to run your comments like a boss. Also, don't forget to subscribe and you'll never miss another Quick Tip Tuesday. See you soon.